Now moving on next page. Spot the pattern and fill the empty boxes. We have to fill the empty boxes as these patterns here. Like in first empty boxes, arrow, then cross arrow, then down arrow, then left arrow. Now second also same as first. We have to repeat this leaf in this empty boxes. Third one also same. Fourth, fifth, as it is, they all are same, but this one is little bit different from this upper side. In first box there is a 1 multiply by 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 4. 3 multiply by 3 is equal to 9. Then what will comes in this box? As you can see, in this all natural numbers are multiplied by itself only. So in this bracket 4 multiply by 4 is equal to, our answer is 16. In this again 5 multiply by 5 is equal to 25. Then already written 6 multiply by 6 is equal to 36. As on 7 multiply by 7 is equal to 49. Then 8 multiply by 8 is equal to 64. This is also a pattern. In first box 5 is there, then 10, then 15. Then what will come in 4 box? As you can see, the difference between 5 and 10 is 5. Means if we are adding a 5 in this 5, then answer is 10. As it is, again if we are adding 5 in this as 10, then answer will be 15. So for this filling the blanks, I have to add 5 in 15. So our answer is 20. Then 25 will come here. As 30 is already written here, then as per this 35 will come here, then 40, then 45, 50 and 55. Now in first box 2 is there, then 9. Means the difference between 2 and 9 is 7. As we know that if we are adding 7 number in 2, then our answer will be 9. As if we are adding 7 number in 9, then our answer will be 16. That already written here. So what will come in this box? If 16 is here and we are adding 7 number, then our answer will be 23. We have to add 7 number in 16, and as it is for all empty boxes, then 37 will come here. 44 is already written, then 51, 58, 65 and 72. Now in the pattern given below, each figure has been given a number. Each figure have a number. Triangle have 1, circle is 2, then again triangle is repeated. For this number 3 is there, for circle 4 is there, then as on. In the pattern above, at which serial numbers are the triangles? At which serial numbers are the circles? The third figure is a triangle. The sixth figure is dash. If the third figure is triangle, then what will come in sixth figure? there is already mentioned. The sixth figure is a circle. So write here circle. The 8 will be a dash. Then what will come at 8th place? If at 6th place there is a circle, and after that nothing is mentioned there. So at the place of 7, triangle will come here, then again circle, then triangle, then circle, as on. So fill this bracket with the help of this triangle and circle. Now moving on next. In the sequence of figures in the table below, draw the next figure and write the number of marbles. In first box, the serial number of the figure, or all serial numbers are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In next box, arrangement of marbles. In for first serial number, there is a mention 1 marble, and for second there is a 3 marble. Means is that they are increasing a number of marbles by adding a 2. As you can see in this third, for third there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles. For fourth there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marbles. Then what will come in 5 and 6? For 5 there will become 9 marbles, because they are increasing their marble by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And here will become 11 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have to write the marbles in numbers also, like 5, 7, 9 and 11. As you can see, there are many patterns are here. So students, please see all these patterns, and with the help of these patterns, make your own pattern and then color it and send it to me. After watching this video, please solve the test. Thank you.